This has to be the most beautiful chart in the crypto sphere right now, and it is none other than KASPA. We've been talking about KASPA for months on end. It has outperformed Bitcoin for the past 3 months now by a good 70%. The last time I proposed a trade setup on KASPA was right here in the month of May, and so far you're up a good 54% on the trade. And let's just say you missed the trade for whatever reason. If you have been following the Mango dashboard Twitter handle, it gave you the call on KASPA on July 20th, that's a good 10 days ago, telling us that, hey, the trend is bullish across the board, the volatility is favoring the bulls right now. And if you caught the dashboard signal 10 days ago, you are already up a good 20% on the trade. Needless to say, if you're not already following the Mango dashboard Twitter handle, you should. It's already given us a good 5 trade opportunities since the KASPA call, so go ahead and check it out. I will be linking it down in the description below. Now, as far as KASPA is concerned, it appears that this trend is not looking to relent anytime soon. It appears we have an official breakout of an ascending triangle formation for those of you who did not spot it. And I believe that this is just one minor part of a much broader pattern that can be viewed on the weekly time frame. If you get on over to your weekly time frame, guys, you'll spot a massive rising wedge formation. Now, I understand that a rising wedge formation through a technical standpoint often is looked at as a bearish pattern, but I don't want you guys to get fixated on the memorization of these patterns. Nothing is bullish, nothing is bearish until price action tells you so. As far as this pattern is concerned, all we know for certain is that we are seeing an uptrend, a series of higher highs and higher lows. And through a technical standpoint, that is bullish. And oftentimes in the middle of a bull market, here's a quick lesson, you will find that these patterns actually see continuation. And if this pattern sees continuation to the upside, KASPA's next target only comes in at 43 cents. But now question is, how fast can KASPA actually break out to 43 cents? Because what you need to understand is from where price is at right now to 43 cents, guys, that's another 113% on that trade. Still quite a bit of juice left on that for any trader out there. Well, to figure out if a coin is ready to move, I often just default onto the Mango dashboard. Remember, the Mango dashboard is what gave us the call 10 days ago, and you're technically already up a good 20% on the trade, even where price is at right now. So you could still see another 2x from then on. Well, here's the current picture on the Mango dashboard. KASPA on the dashboard, guys, we have long signals from the 4-hour time frame to the weekly time frame, so bullish across the board. Volatility also looking really healthy. Look at the 12-hour and the daily volatility. 12-hour 54, daily at 21, telling us that the bulls on those time frames still have a lot more juice left in them to take prices up. So we could actually end up seeing a breakout of this pattern soon. However, the one thing that could be alluding to a minor pullback opportunity is the 4-hour volatility hovering at 71 right there. So we could see a minor pullback on the 4-hour time frame. In fact, we have a bit of a gravestone doji right here. Gravestone doji is bearish. Oftentimes you actually see continuation to the downside. The next region I will be looking towards for my bid opportunity will come in at the Mango dynamic support, which is currently swinging in at around 19 cents. So make sure you're keeping one eye on the Mango dashboard trend and volatility profile. That way you know when to expect that pullback opportunity. Also, just a quick note, I have been posting trade setups under the Mango dashboard premium video section. The last trade setup I posted, we're already up a good 20% on that trade, and I will be posting more in there, so make sure you're keeping up to date with the premium videos. What I really like about KASPA and why I want everyone to be looking at these coins like KASPA is because check out KASPA against Bitcoin. Guys, this is extremely strong. I think we can all agree in that Bitcoin has actually held its trend better than most altcoins out there. The altcoins have been extremely unforgiving on this most recent dump. But check out KASPA against Bitcoin. KASPA against Bitcoin is actually looking to break out even further. What we're looking at here on KASPA is a bullish inverted head and shoulders pattern on the weekly time frame, and this right now is threatening a breakout. And a breakout of this pattern could entail that KASPA outperforms Bitcoin by another 140%, which is humongous. Now, I will be keeping a very keen eye out on this pattern and how it performs against the neckline. So if you guys want to follow along on this KASPA story, make sure you're hitting the sub and the bell icon. That way you are notified every time I come out with a new update. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the Mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.